Hey whales, good morning. Happy Friday. Let's go over and recap Tesla for today's trading session. For those that don't know me though, I'm a full-time trader. I do these updates every single day. And if you want my actual trades though, guys, come join Discord. I give my exact entries, targets, stop losses, everything that you need here to succeed. So if you need help in figuring out when to get into companies like Tesla, Nvidia, Palantir, Netflix, Microsoft, Meta, Google, all these charts, come join, right? You're going to make a lot of money with us. So we'll see you guys here. All right, so with that said, with Tesla, I have two different scenarios, guys, right? The first scenario that I have is the bearish count, where we do have a continuation of this downtrend forming. We have a W, X, Y, X signifying a failed impulsive structure. And now we're working on a bearish sequence where we go a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to finish off all of a Z wave here between 175 to 103. The reason why this also makes sense is because of the fact that for the S&P 500, guys, it does look pretty bearish to me, right? I've been calling this as a top for a while now with a WXY correction coming down potentially to equal lengths at 510 down to 471, right? So this is sort of the first landing zone that I'm looking at. And if the SPY continues and the S&P continues to drop down without any sort of bounce, right? Then, who's to say that Tesla can't do the same? It is holding it up really well though, right? That's the key thing, right? We still have these lows that's intact. So Tesla is definitely the more bullish scenario, but just in case, right, guys? Just in case Tesla does drop and the S&P continues to drop, don't be surprised, is all I'm saying, that 175 to 103 would be that landing zone, okay? Now, the bullish scenario, which I absolutely love as well, is that, of course, we finished off this down cycle here, and we're correcting, right? We're correcting December the 16th, so we're looking for further upside, a potential ABC, right, to at least the 50 back on Tesla, and then we let the markets decide whether or not it continues lower or makes a higher low, and we go to all-time highs, okay? So as long as the invalidation level, guys, holds, right, these lows hold, we're calling Tesla higher. However, with the fact that the S&P broke its lows, with the fact that the Nikkei, Japan, right, and the N pairs, they're all breaking lows, we just got to be mindful that this scenario is definitely on the table, okay? So if we're calling this higher for now, the main targets that I have for Tesla, right, is 320 to 386, okay, for that C leg. And then on the 30-minute time frame, if we also take a look here, Tesla could be putting in this A, right? And we have an ABC down for a B, right? To 236 as the main levels, right? And there could be a surprise, right? Could be a surprise that this could be a 1, 2, and it holds, and then a 3, 4, 5 going up for that C wave, right? So this could also be the B wave here, as long as this level holds, right? So still a lot of time to go, right? We don't know. We have to let the markets reveal itself. But, the SPY is looking a little bit weak, so I'd be wary in going in too crazy, right? So this is sort of what I'm seeing, guys, right? Just be mindful. For me, I'm waiting to see whether or not the SPY can reveal itself a little bit more. Until then, I'll keep you guys updated every single day. Make sure you, keep a lookout for the bearish path as well. But until then, the validation level holds. So this is the count that we're going with, right? So yeah, I'll see you guys in Discord again. If you want my actual signals, guys, the actual entries that I'm going into, I'm telling you, you're going to make a lot of money with us. You have to join. So I'll see you guys there.